Hi, and welcome to the 2020 Senior Projects Conference and to the virtual campus of Louisiana Tech University and the College of Engineering and Science. This marks our 20th year of hosting a Senior Projects Conference for the college. During this conference, you will hear how our students are using their undergraduate education to solve a variety of significant and actual problems, resulting in many cases in deliverable prototypes. Over the past 20 years, this annual college-wide conference has grown significantly, enabling our seniors in all our undergraduate programs to sharpen and demonstrate their professional skills. This year, we have our largest number of projects ever at 130 presentations. We have sessions and tracks for every undergraduate degree program in our college and a multidisciplinary track as well. The projects come from a variety of sources, including industry, government, clinical sponsors, faculty and research centers, and even some innovative ideas from our own students. We have over 25 industrial sponsors this year supporting a significant number of the projects in our biomedical, mechanical, civil, construction, and industrial engineering programs. Many of these projects are having real economic impacts for these sponsors. I would like to express my thanks to Dr. Heath Timms, Ms. Shannon Smith, Ms. Brandy McKnight, and Mr. Esteban Garcia for their efforts in organizing the conference, the program, and setting up the logistics to provide our first virtual Senior Projects Conference. I would also like to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of all our students and their senior design and capstone instructors. Again, I invite you to participate in the various Zoom meeting rooms we have set up, and feel free to move to different rooms to see the presentations you are most interested in. Thank you for participating and supporting our students.